know we locked in. What's in my dip? A big ass Glock 10. Nigga out here with a big ass 10.
Fuck. Niggas can't even, it's January 6th. Can't even get 7 days in this bitch.
Facts, nigga. First week in 2023 in jail.
What's good, y'all? As y'all can tell, you know what I'm saying? Definitely just woke up. But I'm about to get ready to leave. I'm about to head to Jersey, man. I got a Jersey vlog for y'all boys, man. Jersey vlog for y'all boys. We gonna see how Jersey talking to us. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired as shit, bro. Like, if y'all really understood, I was up at like 3 o'clock this morning editing this video that I'm about to drop. Probably like right now, shit. So by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna be out. Go check that out. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the new video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, I'm checking in when I get in the whip. You feel me?
Drops and don't even drop shit. Fucking my eye, bitch, you know we locked in. What's in my dip? A big ass Glock 10. Nigga out here with a big ass 10 man. Pulling the deep man, you know that we real rich. Hello got here in his head with a big one. I be with that stick, turn the opposite of real rich. Let's go. I don't know why they bluffing, they know we be pulling up. Put them in socks, it's dumb ass tight. Yeah, fucking 5, 5, 6 months ain't fighting, bro. Over the drill with the ops trying knife. She fuck with that knee.
Niggas just had me in fucking handcuffs and shit. That shit crazy as hell to me. Niggas can't even do nothing.
Damn, bro.
Can't even be black out this bitch. It's real hard.
Did he take the gas? He didn't take the gas.
Nah, he ain't taking no gas either.
Bro, what the fuck? I wasn't even speeding, bro. Bro, I'm like, please don't lock me. I got locked up for that shit in DC all weekend, bro. You gonna give me hella tickets, though.
Hey, bro. No, look though. Why the fuck was I just in handcuffs and some more shit? They just had niggas in handcuffs and some more. It's cold as shit out this joint. Y'all got me in handcuffs, bro. Fool.
When I saw him, that sounds like shit. I kicked it, bro.
Yeah, I'm straight. I'm straight. That shit crazy as hell though. I ain't never in my life been no motherfucking handcuffs. Like, what the fuck is y'all doing? I'm not no criminal for real. I'm criminal for fake. And I'm so glad, fool. And I'm gonna tell y'all, look though, I'm gonna tell y'all some shit. This why when I travel long distances, bro, I don't never carry my scale, bro. Never carry your fucking scale, bro. They gonna, it's automatic drug. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Like, you gotta think smarter, bro. That shit. And he like, how much weed you got on him? Less than 14 grams. Oh, alright, you good? They can't tell by eyeball. These niggas don't know nothing. These niggas don't know nothing. Nah, he did just fry my shit because it was cold as shit. So we leave, I'm definitely sparking another J. What the fuck? Hey, yo, no, that's crazy. The gun? I don't think so. It's registered. He can't. He's gonna. He said he's gonna show you how to separate that shit. Hey, young, that's crazy as shit. Gang shit, boy, your brain, bitch. Who you hang with? Hey, y'all, this nigga Steph crazy.
Man, me Nick, think I'm about to go back, spend a weekend again in that motherfucker.
Yeah, nah, you done had me fucked up. I ain't gonna lie.
You would have been good, nigga. I was gone for the weekend.
You done had me fucked up. Hey, I said I was gonna spend all weekend in New Jersey, not in the fucking cell, nigga.
I was mad as shit. I was like, damn, we about to, I'm thinking.
Yeah, you was. I can tell though. You was just like,
I'm thinking, honestly, I'm gonna get myself out of this.
You like,
shit.
officer, officer, am I going to jail?
I'm like, nigga, please, nigga. That weekend be like, so boring.
I'm like, man, I'm cold, man. Get these fucking cuffs on me. I ain't never no motherfucking handcuffs. I'm just looking at shit. Like, what the fuck am I doing right now? Why am I like this? fuck I do wrong? Fuck. Niggas can't even, it's January 6th. Can't even get 7 days in this bitch.
Facts, nigga. First week in 2023 in jail. First week in jail.
Hey,
Sick,
yo,
nigga.
go to fuck head.
Fuck, wrist hurt.
Nigga, my wrist hurt too. Nigga, they had it done all tight, man. Like, man.
We about to have a list of tickets, man. Oh, God.
Which way he coming? I want to get him on camera. He coming over here. You can't. Hey, whoa. This nigga crazy as shit. This nigga just hopped out the car. Young. You don't do no shit like that. What the fuck? Hey, Steph crazy as hell. Yeah, bro, I don't know about that one, Chief. I ain't gonna lie to ya. I ain't gonna lie to ya. I ain't gonna lie to ya.
It's a learning lesson, you know what I mean? You're good to go, man.
Man, what the fuck?
You go your idea.
They give you hella tickets?
Nah, that's a warning.
Oh, you got it.
Got a warning, nigga.
Get the fake.
Fucking niggas. They had me scared though. Fuck that.
Hey, bro, get the
They gave me a
fake
warning.
though. Go to fuck head. I need they light real quick.
Scared, man.
This nigga get the faking like shit. He talking about something. Give me a warning. Fuck them niggas. Hey, go to fuck head.
They had me scared as hell, but fuck.
Hey, no, you know, hey, you're not supposed to be hopping on the car like that and shit. Oh, bro, I told you to get out when
He
you just
told
got
me
out.
to,
Oh, I'm
yeah.
about to say, nigga, you can wait. Say, go ahead with that shit. I'm like,
We
stop.
I don't care if it take 5 hours, nigga. We going to speed like that.
That nigga said, I don't care if it take. Let me put my motherfucking seatbelt on. Put your blinker on, nigga. All that. Put your motherfucking blinker on. All that
We
shit.
going 65 the whole way.
This nigga here, man.
Fuck, throwing some throw the weed out. Bitch, I ain't throwing shit out.
Max, so this beat going crazy.
It's cold as shit in Jersey. No cap. What you gotta check in? You don't gotta check in? My fault. He big dog around this motherfucker. We made it after a long journey and shit. I said we made it after a long journey.
What?
What floor you say we on?
That shit, nigga.
This nigga right here. Hey,
Sick, man.
niggas can tell I'm gone. I'm smacked.
I ain't about to say
Yeah. I'm smacked. Oh, that shit like that. Oh, they fancy out this bitch. This nigga unlocked the jump with his phone. He ain't gotta talk to nobody who work here or none of that shit. He just come smack in this joint. Man, this sounds cool. It's real cool. I don't never seen a hotel come with like plates and shit. I just don't get that luxury. Plates and shit like that.
I'm real deal hungry and shit.
Yeah, I am hungry as hell. On Draco. What shit got? Come on. On Draco.
Bitch. I ain't even have to do nothing.
What you gotta say to the vlog? What you gotta say to the vlog? I'm in this nigga city and he not finna come. He not finna come pull up on me and I'm in this nigga city. Ain't that crazy? I'm in his city and he not about to pull up on me. That's crazy. I'm just vlogging right now. I'm Jersey shit. This shit trash. It's cold as shit. It's cold out there. Who two-stepping out here? Nah. They probably do that tomorrow. Some niggas just got out here for real. We got out here like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, I know. So hopefully it's lit out this bitch. You said what?
I said it's gonna be dead as hell. I forgot it was winter break.
It's gonna be lit, bro. Stop hating, nigga. Damn. But I'm gonna call you back, gang.
Where you going, nigga?
I'm about to go to the diner. Get something to eat.
Oh yeah, you a hungry ass nigga.
Yeah, I'm high as fuck.
Alright, bet. Hit me tomorrow.
Alright. Yo, look. Peep game, right? So like, y'all know I be doing FanDuel and shit. So out here you can do like the casino shit. So like you could do like blackjack and shit. So while I was just playing that joint, they was fucking me up, fool. And I just spent 30 minutes getting my money back. I made $1. Out of all that shit, made $1. $1, fool. I'm pissed. I want to get back on that joint, but I'm gonna let that joint rock. For right now, they got me right now. Oh yeah, I ain't even tell y'all, I'm at this little diner and shit. I feel like I'm in like a movie or something, fool. Like, just sitting at a diner and shit. People see a camera and get nosy as hell. Mind your motherfucking business, fam. I'm fried. Hey, look, man. Any bitch that asks me, hey, you do YouTube? You do YouTube? No, bitch, I do OnlyFans, bitch. Is you trying to be... I'm just playing. I ain't even that type of nigga, bro. I'm a good guy. I'm one of the good ones. No cap. But not for real, though. I do OnlyFans, though. You heard? If they ask me, though. Because why the fuck? What else would I have this big-ass camera for if I don't do YouTube? Hey, where else would I be vlogging? Fuck is this shit for? You know what I'm saying?